Hello guys, welcome to my new vlog. Today we are at the Puffing Billy and we are standing at Lakeside Station. We are heading towards Gembrook and you're going to love this place. So guys, this Puffing Billy rail starts from Belgrave all the way to Gembrook. But we are doing it from Lakeside, midway. This is what Lakeside Station looks like. Have a look.
Under the age of 4 are not permitted to sit up on the sill. They do need to remain on the seat or on your lap at all times. Okay?
No problem.
So train is departing at 12:35.
Yes.
If you follow the undercover walkway, you'll see the sign for Gembrook.
Gembrook, okay,
The
perfect.
wind has currently blown, but it is there.
Okay, sure.
But if you could please line up at least 15 minutes prior to your departure time. When they're ready to board you, you'll be travelling in carriage G6.
G6,
That's your allocated carriage both ways.
Sure.
Sit wherever you like in that carriage.
Okay.
3:05 this afternoon, you'll depart Gembrook. Just be back on board a good 10 minutes prior to your departure time.
Sure.
Please don't miss that train, it's the only one coming back.
Okay, no
So they're your
problem.
boarding passes for
Thank
you.
you.
But if you continue all the way down to the end,
Yep.
really great park at that end of town.
Yes, I know that one.
Yeah.
Yep.
Oh, perfect.
Yep,
There you go.
perfect.
You know what you're doing.
Yes.
Have a great day.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
All right.
So your journey will be from here, we're at Lakeside Station, and you'll be going to Gembrook. This train would depart here at 11 o'clock.
Okay.
You would come up to here, you would remain on board, and
Yeah.
then you would go all the way through, so that train becomes the train that you're going to get onto to Gembrook. So it's almost 2 hours each way if you were to do the whole journey. It's a very long day.
okay.
You'd leave here at 11,
Yeah,
and you
yeah.
wouldn't get back here till 5 o'clock at night if you did the whole journey.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay. And how often the train goes?
To Gembrook,
Yeah.
we only go to Gembrook on Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
Okay.
Yeah, but the Belgrave to Lakeside,
Yeah.
every day of the year except for Christmas Day.
Okay.
Every day one train goes, multiple trains go from Belgrave to here at Lakeside,
Okay.
but we only go to Gembrook on 3 days a week.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay, cool.
yeah.
Thank you. I'll take this one.
That's okay, you're more than
Thank
welcome.
you.
You're
Thank Welcome. Welcome. Let's go.
No, you cannot play.
What's your name? Tell me your name first.
What's
All right, so
What's your name?
what's going to happen today? You're going to be sitting in the train, are you?
Yeah, I think in this.
And where is this train traveling from? Do you know what station are we on today? You know what station is this?
Yeah, this is the train station. See the signs? That's the sign.
Yeah.
She said follow the sign.
Standard e-bike and kids bike available here.
Trailers all day also available. And these are hourly rates. Platform order you.
Oh, okay. This is the viewing platform here.
So this is actually going to be good. Bottom on the sill, both legs out, hands. When you're up there, please be careful. If you drop anything, we do not stop. They include iPhone 16s or 17s or whatever number we're up to these days. Please be careful. Little people, if they have a red wristband, they're not allowed near the sill. They can't stand or sit anywhere near the sill, okay? If you don't want your phone in. People with green wristbands, you can sit on the sill just like the adults, so long as you have a responsible adult near you somewhere. Okay, we'll be going very soon.
Thank you.
Oh yes, yes.
Welcome to Puffing Billy, Australia's most famous steam railway. Nestled in the beautiful Dandenong Ranges, this historic train takes you on a magical journey through lush forest, fern gullies, and charming countryside. Built more than a century ago, Puffing Billy is a living piece of history, still powered by its original steam locomotives. One of the most unique experiences in riding with your legs hanging over the side of open carriages, a tradition loved by visitors of all ages. As the whistle blows and the steam rises, get ready to relive the golden age of train travel. Puffing Billy isn't just a ride, it's an unforgettable adventure into the hearts of Victoria's natural beauty. You could never imagine to sit in a train like this. This is the first time ever.
Ain't never seen a face so fine. 10 out of 10 body divine. Got everybody's eyes including mine. Got a craving for something sweet, and you're looking like a tasty treat. Is it hot in here or is it just me? Mouth is watering, my body be hollering. Mira, oh, look at that.
Is the first time ever you're sitting like that?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. You enjoying it?
You enjoying
Do you
it?
like it?
You like it? Yes.
Yes.
Enjoy.
Good one.
I won't be looking back over my shoulder. Don't need directions to get where I'm going. Say goodbye to my father. Well, it's about time that I follow my old man. No money, no fame. Do it all for the escape.
I hope you must be enjoying this video. Guys, here are some interesting facts about Puffing Billy. Number 1. Australia's oldest steam railway. Puffing Billy is one of the world's oldest preserved steam railways, with services beginning in 1900. Number 2. Originally built for transport. It wasn't meant for tourism at first. The line was built to carry timber, livestock, and produce from the Dandenong Ranges to Melbourne. Number 3. Saved by volunteers. When the line closed in 1953 after a landslide, passionate locals fought to keep it alive. Volunteers restarted it in 1962, making it one of world's best known preserved railways. Number 4. The open side carriages. One of the most unique features is that passengers can sit on the carriage edges with the legs dangling out, a traditional loved by visitors, sometimes restricted for safety. Number 5. Scenic route. 25 kilometers track runs through towering mountain, ash forest, lush fern gullies, and across the iconic Munball Creek Tussle Bridge. Number 6. A world-famous Tussle Bridge, the Timber Tussle Bridge at Belgrave, is one of the most photographed railway bridge in Australia. Number 7. Heritage steam engines. The locomotives are original steam engines built
between 1901 to 1926, lovingly maintained to this day. Number 8. Global recognition. Puffing Billy is often ranked among the top heritage railway in the world and attracted over 500,000 visitors annually. Number 9. Run by passion. More than 900 volunteers work alongside staff to keep the railway steaming along, making it a true community effort. Number 10. Special experiences. From dining trains and night runs to events like Day Out with Thomas. For kids, it offers more than just a train ride.
This was manufactured at VER, Newport Workshops in 1914.
We light it up 'cause there's nobody here.
This tin, with the
Stories
up and
made
down,
by the fire.
running the wheels and stuff.
Fire. We drive down the coast till the day disappears. No money, no fame. Do it all for the escapade. No money, no money, no shame. We do it all for the escapade. We do it all for the escapade. We do it all for the escapade. Do it all for the escapade.
Pies and
Freshly baked breads, pies, pastries, sandwiches, cakes, and coffee and tea. And out here you got some. Oh, it's got a kebab and everything, yeah? Chips and coffee. Yes. I think. Okay, can I see it? Yeah. All right. This is our lunchtime. So the train starts from here at 3:05. Yeah. Yeah, this is good, man. I love it. 50 minutes coming here and 50 minutes going back. So, 4 o'clock we'll be back.
this is all the water coming out, all the steam and everything. And then
What's
obviously
this here?
from the main chimney. Through steam, that's what's pushing this piston backwards and forwards, backwards and forwards. The cylinder goes down and makes a rotation.
Correct.
It's actually going straight to the wheel.
Oh, it comes up from there. Okay. Yeah. Oh, yeah.
And what happens then
Yeah.
is these things are full of water, the tanks.
Yeah.
That goes into the boiler.
Yeah.
And that fire heats the water,
Yeah.
turns it to steam,
Yeah.
and the steam comes down and gets delivered into those cylinders down the bottom there.
Oh, yeah. All right. Did you see how the engine got attached to the rest of the train? And now we are ready. In another 5 minutes, we'll be on our way. So this is G4.
Correct. We're at G6.
All right.
So now we want to sit on this side, so sit
Yeah,
exactly
yeah, yeah.
beside this guy.
Correct.
Good boy.
Good. So the original Puffing Billy station at Belgrave.
Come this side. Uncle. Uncle.
Yes.
Come this side.
Oh, okay, okay. Thank you. I'll come in. Yeah. Wee, yes.
Same rules apply going back as coming down, okay? Nice and easy. I like those little briefings.
He's asking for green light, eh? much of fun having a random person who's just waving, you know? Are there all people standing still to go?
We'll come back, okay?
Let us go!
Come, let's go.
Did you enjoy it?
Did you have fun?
Did you like it?
He wants to go back in the train.
Alright guys, I hope you must have enjoyed today's video. If you really enjoyed this video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. I will see you for the next one next week. Till then, take care. God bless you all. Bye for now.